Okay, so a bit of algebra. We're going to recap how to expand and simplify brackets. So hit pause, copy the lesson objective and the keywords down. Once you've done that, hit play and we'll move on to the starter. Okay, so write starter down, underline, have a go at these questions. Once you're done, hit play and we'll go through them together. Okay, question 1. Round 6,826 to the nearest 10. So to the nearest 10, put our line here. Does the 6 affect the 2? Yes, it does. So that's going to be 6,830. To nearest 100, we put our line here. 2 doesn't affect it, so it's going to be 6,800. This we describe as 2 cubed, which is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And hopefully you realize I hadn't put my square root there. Square root of 49, which is 7. Apologies for that. 175 pupils each pay 45 pence for a drink. Estimated total cost. Now we like to use one significant figure, so I'm going to round my 175 pupils to 200 and my 45p to 50 pence. 200 pupils and a cost of 50p. So the total cost, an estimated total cost, is going to be 200 times 50p, which will give me, if I do 5 times 2, that's 10, and I've got 2 zeros there, but I've got to move one back, so it's 100. It's going to cost me £100. Okay. Question number 4. 612 divided by 34. So I've got to use bus stop. So if I'm going to perform this division, I'm going to use the bus stop method. So let's write that here. 612 divided by 34. I need my 34 times table, so let's write that here. 34. If we add 34, I get 68. Add 34, 102. Keep going, adding 34, 136. Add 34, so we go 170, 204, 238. And I'm running out of space, so I'm going to stop at 272. Okay, 34 can't go into 6, so we carry the 6. 34 into 61 goes 1, and 61 take away 34 is 27, so I carry the 27. So I've got 272. Oh, that's handy. That's at the bottom there. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So our answer is 18. Describe the property you'll see a cat today. I'm going to describe that for me as likely. Okay. A couple more questions before we rag it. So make corrections and we'll move on. So hit pause, attempt these 2 questions. When you're ready, hit play again and we'll mark and rag. Right then, area of a parallelogram there. So we've got the area, it's going to be base times the perpendicular height. So it's going to be 8 times 4, which is 32. Don't forget our units, centimeters squared. And we want the coordinates of each of these points. A is given by across the landing, then up or down the stairs. So that's going to be 4 minus 1. Don't forget our brackets. And B, across the landing, so minus 5, 4, comma 4 with brackets. And C, across first, so minus 4 and down 4. So minus 4, minus 4. Okay, so what I want you to do is make corrections, hit pause, make corrections and rag. Once you've done that, hit play and we'll look at expanding brackets. Okay, so I'm going to be expanding and simplifying these brackets here. First instance here, on this question, what have we got? We got 3 brackets 4m, sorry, 3 brackets 4 plus m. So plus 2 brackets 5 plus 2m. But expand that. So I'm just going to change color to use my arrows. So everything outside the brackets, got to multiply everything within the brackets. So if we do these brackets first, switch back to red. So 3 times 4. So that's going to be equal to 3 times 4 is 12. And then 3 times m is 3m. Same thing here, we're going to expand the brackets. So the 2 outside the brackets multiplies everything within the brackets. So it would be 2 times 5 and then 2 times 2m. And 2 times 5 is 10, it's positive, plus 10, and 2 times 2n, m is 4m. And we simplify by collecting like terms. You got 12 plus 10, and then you got 3m plus 4m, which is going to give us 22 plus 7m. If you wrote that, that's fine. You can also write it as 7m plus 22. Either one is fine. Okay, let's have a look at another example. I'm going to put a line down here to separate the 2 examples. Okay, in this one we got 3t times 5t plus 4, and we've got a negative then. So if we write that out here, 3t, 5t plus 4, and minus 2t times 3t minus 5. So I'm just going to put my arrows so I can see what I'm multiplying. 3t outside multiplies everything within the brackets, and the minus 2t multiplies everything within these brackets here. Okay, so back to the red. So we've got a 3t times 5t. If we do the numbers first, we get 15, and then we've got t times t, so that's t squared. And we've got 3t times 4, the numbers, 3 times 4 is 12, so that's going to be plus 12t. Now this minus affects everything in the brackets, so minus 2t times 3t, minus times a plus gives us minus 6t squared, and the minus times a minus means we're going to have a positive answer. 2 times 5 is 10t. So now we collect like terms, so 15t squared minus 6t squared, plus 12t plus 10t. So we've got 15 minus 6, which is 9t squared, plus 22t. Okay. So what I want you to do is hit pause, copy these examples down. Once you've done that, I've got some questions for you to attempt. Okay, so exercise 5C, not going to take you very long at all. Be careful with negatives. I'm going to attach these questions to the assignment. So good luck.